We got a question from Uwe. If iBeacon is going to start automatic tracking in Speedometer 55 when iBeacon is located in the trunk, where your USB port might be. So here's a trunk, and here we've got a USB beacon connected to a power bank. So we're going to swipe through the bottom micro panels actually until we get to the manual or automatic tracking panel. Oh, it was it. Okay, this one. And we tap on three dots in the left side and then open auto tracking settings and go to set up our iBeacon, and we've got it from BlockAware, so just one tap to set up, to add beacon to the app. And now we can see sensitivity is default, immediate or near proximity, but it's able to find the beacon, but this beacon right now would not trigger the automatic tracking start. So what we should do, we should go back to the sensitivity section and change the default settings to higher sensitivity. It means even far proximity of a beacon will trigger tracking. As you can see, trigger tracking is yes, and if we save it now, we can see that actually almost immediately automatic tracking has started in the app. So our answer to Uwe is yes. With the app's ability to adjust to iBeacon signal strength, even a small USB beacon can trigger automatic GPS tracking, even from the trunk of your car.